Yeah, hello guys. Thank you so much once again. This is the second video of our Medicare or medical WordPress site creation from scratch using Elementor. And of course, we have first finished the first stage. Not exactly finishing, but at least we have reached somewhere working on the header. And here it is. You can see this what we created. Of course, we have not seen how it works, like what we have done in the first video. And as you can see, it is we are like those who are new or who have just joined us in this video. This is what we are trying to come up with. Of course, like I had said, we are not building exactly how it looks like, but we are trying to come up with something like this, something like this. So for those who want to, you can of course check this, or you can even check it's there being on sale on the theme forest. So this is what we are creating. So let's try to check our site and see whether the header is pull. Here it is. As you can see, we have the icons. Here they are. Of course, they have not linked to them. This is the search. We have this. So this is what we have for now. Let's now try to add links to this icon list. Add a link, maybe facebook.com. It's not useful, but I just want to create it so that it is like a working kind of site. .com, Instagram.com. Of course, yeah, I expect you guys to add your your social links. So I want to get some kind of the color codes for this. I want to pick what? I want to pick this. It's okay. I want to pick this. This. That's the color. Code is here. X. Data. This. Don't know whether this is how I copy, but I'm trying to see how I can copy. Let me just believe that I've copied. I don't know. So we try to style this up. The icons, we give them a color. Let's try to see. I don't know whether I've copied it. Like this too. I don't know which color is this. I'm going to call it anyway, maybe green for now. I don't know the color. So that's what we have there. Then these icons too, we can change them to give them this color called green. Well, we are pushing on. Style, primary color is this. So here we are. Can I see? Search is black. Yeah, this is what we have. And try to change this icon to the one which is bold. Search. This one I think it's better. It looks nice. Yeah. Update. Let's try to refresh. Yeah, that's what we have. As you can see, guys, this is what we have. Let's try to make this a bit bold, just like this. This. And there's one thing you can see. This one is fixed. So ours, we don't know. We can't know whether it's fixed. Of course, we have no content. What we should do? Let's try to. It's okay for now. Let's first leave it, but we shall make this one fixed. Okay, let's try to make this a bit bold. Menu item. Typography. Shall give it that kind of boldness. Perfect. But the color is too dark. Just need this. Yeah, that's better. Guys, for now, let's first stop there. I have not checked the mobile responsiveness, but we shall work on that later. We shall work on that later. Of course, you can see it is not coming up well. We shall work on that later. For now, let's first focus on the desktop. And well, let's close this and let's create the footer. Should we go with the footer? Yes, let's go with the footer. We have this. Let me copy this color. But of course, this is black. And this is, yeah, this is, I don't need to copy this. Let me go to the header. First time we created the header, now we are creating a footer. 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 Okay. So here's our footer. This is a header. So footer. So I have some kind of cough. I'm trying to get my voice. I'm sure, yeah, it is. It's not sounding well. Sounding weird, but I know we shall keep moving. Hmm. This one's supposed to push this side a bit, like this. As you can see, this. It's. I'm going to work on that. Push it here a bit, from here to here. But for now, let's first finish the footer and you see how we are going to move. How many columns? You see we have 1, 2, 3, 4 columns. But of course, footer, we don't have posts. Products, we don't have products. For our case, we shall just put, I don't know. Let's first create a footer, we'll leave it there. We shall keep adding these items later. Because I'm seeing, it's okay. Let's create a footer. Mhm. This. Mhm. Then I create something like this. We add this footer logo. Okay. Make this some kind of padding. Give it a padding of 100. I don't know whether that's 100. It's too much. 100 maybe. Maybe 80. 80. At the bottom I give it a 50. And so remember this one is supposed to be full width with no gap. Okay. But of course the right should be 30 and this one 30. And the color should be black. It should be dark. Maybe like that. A bit dark. Maybe like that. Let's try to reduce the padding top to something simple. Maybe 60. Yeah, that's cool. That's cool. Then this one give it 40. That's cool. Can you add some content? This one. Put it here. Put it that. We give it some nice. Be that. Call it light. Good. So for now, we are going to first add maybe recent post products services. Okay, so we are going to create a title here. Call it recent posts. Give it light and give it 20. Then This is what the hammer. I like the hammer, I don't know why. And this one to 18. Yeah. And duplicate this. Take one here. Take one here. And this one becomes products. This one becomes our services. Okay, so we shall not name the product. Let's call it quick links. Yes, so here done. I need something else. It's going to be also full width. No gap. Something like this. Like that. Okay. And you give it some text here. Now give it this. Maybe add some text here. Some text here. Call it what? Corporate. Alright, use that. Corporate. Barack. And 2. Alright, so that. Give it some nice color. Maybe this. Then try to update. Internet is lost. Why? It's okay. So perhaps we can keep developing and see what we can come up with. So we have now that menu, which you can add as a list. List here. Then we call this one vectors, vectors, news, there. Make it like this. That is remaining social links. Do you need social links? You can just create. Let's first make this a bit visible. Make them visible. Yeah. Yes. And we underline. Can underline them. Style. This. Decoration. Underline. And this size. Let's make it 16. 20. Maybe 15. Okay. That's cool. Try to duplicate this. give this one only 10 and delete this. I think we don't need to delete, just need to move this. We add here Facebook. We add here Twitter. We add here Instagram. So okay, let's see how does it appear. Why is it cropped like that? Let's try to edit some size to 15, better. Then we give it some style, give that some style. What's this? Some style to this, give this to middle, this one to middle, this one to middle. That's how it's looking like. Oh, why this one not in the middle? So it should be in the middle. Okay. So we can save this and check our site, refresh. So we have this. Of course, there's nothing in the middle, but we have this. For now, let's first create anything in the middle, and we create that fixed header, and we shall be able to add all this inside there. Yeah, let's try to make this padding a bit. We give it 60. This one 62. So padding, we give it 10. We copy this style. Copy. We apply it as a style here. We paste style. Here too, we paste style. Here too, we paste the style. That's cool. You can see it is having a padding of 10. Let's try to see. I think that's cool now. You guys, I think you see how we are progressing. Uh, this one, I think the color is not that. The color is this one. Cool. The size, like it's 16. Look at it big. And the list, try to reduce on the 10. Yeah. So that's where we are right now. That's where I've reached. So let's try to edit the home page now. The home page, we're going to edit it. Oh my god. Let's go back. Let's go back. No. Let's go back. Edit. And then we template should be full width. Update this and we edit. So when you come to check our site, it's demo hub. We have this, nothing in the middle. So we're going to just create some. I'm just going to create anything to add there so that we are able to to make our header fixed. what we have so far. So we are going to go back to our Elementor kit, header and footer, as this one is opening. That has opened. For now, I'm just going to create any dummy thing there. I'm just going to put anything dummy so that we have our, but as I told you, we are not going to use to import anything. So I'm importing this so that we can have that kind of, you see, there's no space between the header and the footer, and I just want to have this fixed just like the way it is here. You see this fixed header? I want to create something like that, but I can't test it when I have no content, when the page can't scroll. Okay, so I'm going to the header. I don't know why it's taking long. I don't know what you're going to do about it. Try to refresh. Okay, okay. Yes, this has come. So for this, we are going to make this one a fixed kind of, how did I fix it? I'm going to fix this. Let me just look for ways of fixing this. How am I going to fix this? How am I fixing this? How am I going to fix this? But anyway, I'm going to figure it out and let you know. I expected that to be an option in Elementor, but I'm not seeing it. And okay, seeing it. Not seeing it. Sticker, yeah. Was it? Maybe stick on top. Let me see. With this, I don't think it's this. That one was fixed. And let me try to save this and check. And I check this one. I'm just going to add anything here. What should I add? Wait a minute. There was an option for for fixing the layout. Of course, I don't know. Stretch section. For now, yeah. So we can duplicate this too, so that the page becomes a bit longer. Good. So when you try to save and refresh this, I want to see whether this stick has worked. Okay. What's this? Yeah, I want to see. Yeah, the stick has worked. This sticker that should remain, should have that transparent background. Guys, it has worked. I don't know, but I was expecting some option for fixed because I'm using Elementor Pro. It fixes the header, but anyway, it has worked, and I have to thank it for working. Let me give it a background, which is FF. That's cool. And I try to save. Yep, that might be the problem. I'm doing this thing on the live server, so at times the internet disturbs a lot. From actually in my country, the internet is not stable. It keeps jumping up and down. I think it has jammed again. That's why it's taking long to save. Connection lost, as you can see. But anyway, I can try some simple troubleshooting. Let's try and see. Okay, so I have that. Wow, and it's looking beautiful. Okay, wow, that's great. It's looking so beautiful, and wow, I've loved it. So guys, this is where we have reached so far in this video, and this is the second video. For those who missed the first video, of course, you can check and see how we created this. We created this from scratch, and remember, we are following this. We are benchmarking from this site, and this is what we have. It is like I said, it's not exactly this one, but it looks similar to this one. And this is basically for educational purposes. I'm not trying to copy or I'm not trying to clone or to do anything out of like infringing on their copyright. But of course, I'm trying to teach or to show you guys how you can do this without buying a thing. Not that I'm trying to. Anyway, but this is what we are trying to create, and this is where I've reached so far. This content, the homepage, like I said, it is not what we are going to have. I just wanted to put it there as a placeholder. I'm going to delete everything, and it's looking weird as you can see. I'm going to delete all of this, and we create our own content. Thank you so much, guys, for watching. Please don't forget to comment positively, of course. In case of anything, please let me know. Don't forget to like the video. Don't forget to share, and I'll be so much grateful if you do that. In case of projects, of course, I have to advertise myself from this platform, and it's mine. Please let me know. In case you have projects, I'm very cheap to hire. I'm a freelancer. I'm very cheap to hire. Please, I have experience of more than 4 years using WordPress and PHP. I also specialize in Laravel. Thank you so much, guys. I would be so much appreciative. Please check my contact details in the descriptions below. You can subscribe, please. watch other tutorials too on this channel. Thank you so much, guys. Love you.